Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good morning to all of you. It gives me a great pleasure on behalf of the University of Sharjah to congratulate the Department of Mathematics at the Mampad College for this significant international workshop under the name Astrolabes and Algorithms, with the subtitle Tracing Influence of Indian Mathematics on the Western Sciences, which is going to take place between 18th and 20th November 2024. It is a great honor for me as a director of the Sharjah International Foundation for the History of Arab and Muslim Sciences, SIFHAMS, to give my greetings on behalf of the Professor Hamid Naimi, Chancellor of the University of Sharjah and Chairman of SIFHAMS, to congratulate all of you and wish you all the best in your activities in the coming days that is going to take place in a very beautiful country, very beautiful state of Kerala. It was indeed a great time to collaborate with you, with Mampad College, in the last at least 4 years, since 2020, that we have been in touch, and we have been developing various programs together, and it shows that Mampad College is a highly qualified institution and dedicated institution in order for them to collaborate internationally. It has shown, your support has shown this developments, this collaboration with us, with the University of Sharjah, particularly with SIFHAMS, that we have been co-organizing last two SIFHAMS International Graduate Winter Schools, and the third one is on the way very soon in January 2025. Besides International Graduate Winter School, Mampad has shown great support, great willingness in collaboration with University of Sharjah and SIFHAMS in other activities as well. I recall very well that last year we had an international program again on the Malabar heritage, where we joined the international activity with Mampad, and it has been also continuously various events taking place between us, and the recent activity that we had was, I guess it was early August this year, and it is indeed a beautiful thing to know about the workshop, international workshop, that is going to take place tomorrow, after tomorrow, today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, the coming 3 days. And besides Mampad faculty members, college and students, particularly postgraduate students. I would like to thank the participants, academic collaborators, and lecturers, Professor Jan Hogendik and Mr. Wilfred and Mr. Tom for taking part in this activity, coming all the way to from Holland, from Utrecht University to Mampad. It gives me a privilege, you know, personally and institutionally, to say that, you know, University of Sharjah, through SIFHAMS, have been playing the role of catalyst in establishing the bridge between East and West, and in this case particularly between India, Kerala, and Mampad, and our colleagues from Utrecht University and from Netherlands in general. We are looking forward to have more and more such activities, academic contributions between us, between institutions. And once again, I thank you for choosing SIFHAMS to collaborate in this significant event. I wish, personally, I wish to be there to experience this workshop, and I am sure that our colleagues, Professor Jan and the team, will be having great time in Kerala, in the institution of Mampad College, Calicut, Nalampur, and the whole region. The way how I felt home during my visit early April 2022, I felt really home, and I was telling to Professor Jan and the team, you will be feeling also home once you arrive there. So thank you again, and I wish all of you a successful international workshop, namely Astrolabes and algorithms, tracing influence of Indian mathematics on Western sciences. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum.